Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the levitation effect on Picsart. So if you want to make yourself look like levitating on the air in the photo, I'm going to show you how. So first open the Picsart app on your phone. And then here choose the photo that you want to edit. So for example, I want to edit this one and I want to make him look like he's levitating in the air. So the first thing that you need to do is click on tools and then go to remove menu and choose this brush. You can also adjust the size. So for example, I want to delete this luggage, this baggage here. So just like this. Erase all of them, but please make sure that you do it neatly. Okay, just click on remove and then delete this again. And just like that, click on check. Okay, as you can see, the bag has been disappeared and it looks like he's levitating in the air. Okay, so that's so easy. That is how you can do the levitation effect on Picsart. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.